It's a moving photo.
Yeah. He says running is hard business.
Stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Hey! Keep going, let's go! 2D!
My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Oh yeah, at last the skies above the blue. My heart was wrapped up in clover.